responsibility. And in fact, we work day in and night, not just for keeping up the name of Junior Toast, but also uplift our Appu sir's name. And we ensure that we keep that responsibility. ನಾವು ಆ ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿಯನ್ನ ನಾವು ಖಂಡಿತ ಮನಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅಪ್ಪು ಸರ್ ಹೆಸರಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಜೂನಿಯರ್ ಟೋಸ್ ಏನ್ ನೀವು ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅದನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿಯುತವಾಗಿ ನಡ್ಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಯಾರಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಜೂನಿಯರ್ ಟೋಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಎವ್ರಿಬಡಿ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಅ good citizen of our country. Beyond everything, Junior Toast kid will be a very good citizen of our country. That is my promise to all of you. Thank you so much. So can we have the lucky tip, and we'll see who that lucky kid is. Don't worry, one lucky tip, we will take it now, but it will stay here till 10 o'clock in the evening and 17 days in that stall outside. Okay, so can we have the lucky draw box please? Okay, now there are so many